who wants me to the wrong. My friends love my impressionists when I'm up on stage, pretend to take it personal. When I'm up in their face, like, it's not what you say, but how you come across. As if they never knew me for the first time we talk. The same things happen to a celebrity, I guess, where he does something wrong and the world gets upset. But if he continues to bless children and brighten up the future, think we give him golf claps and wait for him to contradict. You don't want unity, you want individual freedom. It's not my fault we created what everyone wants to be them. And I can allow myself to see your presentation if I didn't inquire so much about our destination. Like you pretend you don't feel it, but can you follow through? You know, regardless of how it's said, the outcome's always loving you.
Sisters, gods, and act like slaves. Fight to the death just to keep your change. Energy's depleted. We're so easily heated. So I bestow my heart. Misconstrue it air. Take my passion as harassment when I take it there. Thinking that to fight it just might justify their weakness. But this music, unsuitably used, is meant to enrich your existence. And providing a silent herb is worthy of